Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this double triangle thing with the picture in it that you see on the screen right now. We're going to go ahead and start out on an edit page. Go to media pool, right click, new fusion comp. You can name it if you'd like, but you don't have to. Go ahead and leave it on 5 seconds. Put it on your timeline and go to fusion. For those of you that don't know me, I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I cannot use my hands and arms. I put this out there every time now because for the ones that don't know me, a lot of them question why I have it up there in the way. Click away right about here. Shift space and S star. Click away below it. Shift space again. Another S star. Select the first one. Shift space and extrude. .3D render. Let's add a merged. We'll need that soon. And shift space and transform 3D. Let's go back to star 1. Change the points to 3. Deselect solid. We'll start out with 0.015 on a border width. Set the angle to -30. Merge the second star into the first. Do the same, put it on 3 points. Deselect solid. We'll set the border width to 0.015 again. Set the angle to 30. Let's go to dual viewers. Put the transform in viewer 1. We'll add some extrusion to this. We'll select the extrude node. I'm going to go 0.08. You'll see the pivot point is on the back. We'll move that to the middle. Go to transform. Pivot. And a z-axis go 0.04. We'll make that half of the total extrude with 0.08. And if you look at viewer 1, now we're in the center. Let's do the same thing with transform. Which is the most important one. We're going to animate it with this. Once again, z-axis 0.04. Rotate it with your y-axis, make sure it's not wobbling. We're going to animate it with that in a moment. Let's add some chrome to this. I already have it open, but I'm going to close it just to show you how to find it in case you don't know. Go up here to Effects, Templates, Fusion, Shaders, pipe it into the green input of the extrude. Go to Transform. Under Scale, we'll size it. Size it to your liking. Almost like that might be a little bit thick. Go back to the extrude. Let's go to Custom. Highlight both the top ones. Hit F on the keyboard. Drag both them handles all the way out. Let's go back to star 1. I'm going to change mine to 0.01 on both stars. That looks better. Okay, now I'll show you how I made the picture. Right click. For the sake of the tutorial, I already have both these in here because sometimes it takes a very long time for them to transfer over to the file. To save it in transparent, make sure you change the save type to PNG. And hit save. Now we'll go over to another project I opened to mask out the picture. In this case, the new one came through. Put it on your timeline. Make sure you have your picture you want. And go to Fusion. Bring your picture down, merge it into the media in one. If you look in a viewer, they're backward. Right click on the merge, swap inputs. We'll add a transform. Get the size you like, adjust it however you want. Grab polygon. Make sure you close the loop. Select modify only, that way you won't screw up your polyline. Disconnect the media in one. Now we'll save that the same way. Save as. Don't forget to select PNG. Now we'll go back to our project. There it is, it came through too. So both these images are from this project. Bring it down from the media pool. Get the image plane. Pipe that into the merge. With the image plane selected, go to transform. Use the scale to size it. Go back to dual viewers. See the pictures at the back. We want to move that to the middle. Go to pivot. And a z-axis, go 0.04. If 0.04 doesn't do it, just adjust it to where it's in the center. Now we'll animate this. Put your playhead at frame 0. Select the transform. Set a keyframe on the y-axis. I'm on a 30 frame per second frame rate. You might have to adjust accordingly. I'll come halfway through to the middle, 75. Rotate the Y to 360. Take the playhead to the end. Rotate the Y to 720. Open your spline. If this is in the way of your window, little button up here says shrink, select it. Select both them. Zoom to fit. Select all. F on the keyboard. And then T. The T opens this ease in, ease out. We're going to adjust them both, so we'll lock it. That way we'll do them both at the same time. And run this up to around 50. Don't have to be exact. And then hit set relative. The set relative allows you to stretch it on the timeline as long as you'd like, and it'll keep rotating. Okay, there's two things I want to show you. Make sure the render is selected. Change the render type from software to hardware. Let's put a bevel on the edge too. Select the extrude. I'm going to go 0.0063. I'm going to move the picture forward a little bit still. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.